Let's discuss how to control access to specific resources within Liferay sites. Each resource within a site has an options menu that includes a permissions menu. When you open the permissions menu, you'll see a window like the one displayed on the slide. So how does this window work? Well, on the left side of the window, there's a list of roles, and for each role, you can choose whether users with that role should be able to perform the function indicated in the columns. For example, the fourth row defines whether users with the power user role have the ability to add a display template for the resource, configure the resource's permissions, preferences, configuration, and whether users with that role can view the resource or add the resource to a page. If a user belongs to any role to which the permission is granted, then the user will have permission to perform that action. Site teams can be created by site administrators, and site teams are just groups of site members that can be given additional permissions to perform actions against specific resources within the site. So in the example here, a web moderators team has been created, and the same permissions that we saw on the previous slide can be granted to members of the web moderators team. Now it's time for a knowledge check. Administrators can grant or remove permissions on a site resource in the permissions menu. Site teams are groups of site members that can be given additional permissions on specific resources on a site.